Are you tired of playing the waiting game with your money? When you put funds into a high-yield savings account, understanding exactly how your deposits and transfers work is key to maximizing your interest and financial planning. Today, we're diving into the mechanics of bread savings, how they handle ACH deposits and transfers, what to expect for timing, and the specific limits you should know. It's time to take the mystery out of moving money. Bread Savings, which offers an excellent high-yield savings account, uses the Automated Clearing House, or ACH network, for moving money in and out. This is the standard, secure electronic system most banks use for common transfers, bill payments, and direct deposits. So, let's talk about deposits first. When you push money into your Bread Savings account from an external linked bank, what's called an ACH credit, the timing starts right away. If your deposit is received before the cutoff time, which is typically 5 p.m. Central Time on a business day, it starts processing that day. If you miss that deadline, it's processed on the next business day. Now for the good part, your deposit starts earning interest from the moment it's received, even if the funds aren't immediately available for withdrawal. The actual time it takes for those deposited funds to become fully available can take a few business days, which is standard practice across the industry to ensure the funds clear the external bank. What about getting money out? This is often an ACH debit, where you're pulling money out of your Bread Savings account and sending it to a linked external account. Bread Savings is often very customer-friendly here, offering unlimited free ACH transfers. This is a great feature, as some banks still have monthly limits. However, like any financial institution, Bread Savings has transfer limits designed to protect you. While the specifics can vary for each customer, common limits include a daily maximum for both incoming and outgoing transfers, and sometimes a rolling 7-day limit on the amount or number of transfers. For example, some accounts may have an outgoing limit of $15,000 within a 7-day period. It's always best practice to check your specific account details for the most up-to-date figures. In short, Bread Savings makes it easy and free to move money via ACH, which is great, but remember two main things. Your deposit starts earning interest immediately, but there's a short clearance period before you can withdraw it, and always be mindful of your daily and weekly transfer limits. Knowing these details is how you save smarter and keep your money working hard for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.